Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. Glad you could tune in to another reading lesson. So today I wanted to share with you some more tools that you can use to help you figure out words while you're reading and become stronger readers. And I know that you've been working on word families. So remember, word families are words that part of the word might be the same, and then if we change a little bit part of the word, we get a new word. So let me show you. I've got some word families on cards, and we're going to read them together. And then I'm going to show you a story with some words in it from our word families and show you when you read, you can use some word families to help you figure out words you might not know. So boys and girls, we want to use all the tools we can, like we practiced using pictures, thinking what could the picture be about, what could the words be about, and now we're going to use our word families and sounds to figure out what some of the words are. So we're really working hard to be stronger readers, and word families can really help us because there's a lot of words that are similar. So I'm going to show you some words on my card first, and we're going to go through these word families and say them together, and then we're going to look at how those word families can be in a story. So let's do at first. So at, all these words have the sound at in the word. Let's say them together. Bat, cat, hat, mat. Do you see how I have all the ats in there? So that's the at family. Here's the and family. Ready? Fan, can, Dan, ran. Notice Dan is a boy's name. It has a capital D. Here we go. The add family. Lad, mad, dad, sad. Here's the and family. Sand, land, band. Maybe you know some more words that go on those families. I just put a few of the words down. Here are some bigger word families too. I have the am word family and the amp word family. So am is cam, Sam, ham, jam, ram, and pan. And here's the amp word family. Stamp, damp, ramp, camp, lamp. So boys and girls, this is how we're going to use word families. I've got a story on my chart paper back here. I hope you can see it. And I'm going to read it to you, and there's a word or two that I may struggle with figuring out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my word families to help me figure out those words. So I'm just going to stand up and move back here so I can be by the chart. And I hope you can see that a little closer. Make the chart a little bit bigger for you. There we go. So here we go. We're going to read this story, and we might struggle with a word, and then we're going to see if we can remember it from our word families. We went to, there's amp. Do we see amp with a k? Camp. Do you see how you use my word family? N-A-T. At night, it rained. There's the and word family. And land became damp. There's another word family, the amp. We used a fan to dry the tent. It made me sad to have a damp bed. So boys and girls, do you see how I use my word families to sound out some of the words in my story that maybe I didn't know? What you're going to do today is, as you're reading, you're going to keep your eye out and see if you can spy some word families in your reading, and then put one of those little flag stickers on a page where maybe you used a word family to figure out one of the words in your books. So I challenge you today, while you're reading, if you get stuck, use a word family and see if any of your words have family parts in them that help you figure out, and then add a tag, and let's see how many we can collect at the end of our reading today. All right, boys and girls, you can do this. Go for it.